At this point, they're picking up the tabletop number 2. There will be nothing attached to this particular, why is it not? Okay, there we are. There's nothing attached to the inside of this table. It's just, they're going to install it onto the top at this point. Carefully lower it down, get it close to position. Get it pulled over right. Beautiful. At this point, they take the weight off it and unhook it. They're going to remove the lift bar at this point. Like I said before, one lift bar will be included for picking up the tabletops. These bars will be returned to Doty & Sons after installation. We're going to repeat the step again, installing the screws for underneath. It's going to thread those in there. Let's thread this one here, Tom. It's going to thread the bolts on the other side. Don't force those threads in there. I mean, sometimes they can get cross-threaded if you don't watch it. You just got to adjust it with your punch and make sure you adjust the plate over a little bit just so that it threads in there nice and easy.